Installation: single wrapped bandfast clamp. Pass the end of the bandfast clamp through the slots in the cable ladder. Position the buckle on top of the cable so the buckle is supported underneath, and hand tighten. Introduce the bantam tool onto the band sideways and tension. Once tension is achieved, roll over, cut off, remove the tool, ensuring the tailpiece isn't brought back up, and then taking a hammer, small hammer, tap the ears down. Installation of a double wrapped PPA coated bandfast clamp. Pass the band through the slots of the cable ladder, through the back buckle once, pull hand tight, back through the slots again a second time, back through the top of the buckle again, and again pull hand tight, ensuring the buckle is on the top of the cable so it's supported underneath. Introduce the bantam tool onto the side of the band, tension the band. Once tensioned, roll over, cut off with the cutter lever and remove the tool, ensuring the tailpiece remains down, and taking a hammer, tap the ears down on the buckle.